Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mitsubishi Lancer's service light. This process is straightforward and can be done right from your driver's seat, saving you a trip to the dealership. We will go through each step carefully, ensuring you can successfully turn off that persistent service reminder. It typically takes less than 1 minute to complete, so let's get started and clear that dashboard message. First, make sure your Mitsubishi Lancer's ignition is completely off. Next, you'll need to find the Info button, or the Multi-Information Meter switch, usually located near your instrument cluster. Gently press this button repeatedly until your display screen shows the service reminder, often indicated by a small wrench icon. This is the starting point for our reset procedure. Once you see the service reminder with the wrench icon, press and hold the Info button for approximately 2 seconds. Keep holding until the wrench icon begins to flash. While it is still flashing, give the Info button another quick, light press. You should then see the display change from 3 dashes to the word Clear, indicating the reset is in progress. After the display shows Clear, the system will then show the time until your next periodic inspection. Now, turn your ignition off, then start your engine to confirm that the service light has been successfully reset and is no longer illuminated. While resetting the light is easy, always remember to perform actual routine maintenance to keep your Lancer running smoothly and safely for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.